everyone, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. We are back with more DIYs and it is going to be from the Target dollar spot, and I'm so excited because I know that you guys like these type of videos. So I ran to my closest Target and I grabbed some stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. So what we have for our first DIY is a one set string art kit. It looks like this. It's super cute. When I saw it at Target, I was just like, what the heck? That looks really cute. I have to grab it, and it's only $3. So let's go ahead and open her up. Oh my god. Is this how it feels with no nails? So in our kit, we have our one wood sign. We have 6 metal nails. Not 6, sorry, 60 metal nails, 7.5 yards of cording, and 2.5 yards of cording, and a detailed instruction sheet right there. So we've done these type of Target dollar spot kits before, and if you guys didn't watch those videos, make sure you check those out because I have 2 that I've done so far and they're really cute. We know that sometimes the kits don't have enough yarn. It's fine, we'll figure it out. Like always, I'll have the instruction sheet on the screen for you so you can pause it and follow along. So it does say 2 green cording, which is right here, so I'm assuming that they cut it for you. Please read through all the instructions before beginning. Number 1, using your nails provided, take a hammer from home, hammer not included. Okay, well, that sounds easy enough. It doesn't tell you how to make this, and I've never done something like this before. It doesn't even tell you how to do the design or where to start. All right, maybe it's not as easy as we thought. We're gonna have to just play around with it and hopefully it turns out cute. I went ahead and poured out all our nails. I need to go get a hammer, so be right back. Got myself my hammer right here. They said to just hammer down the pin where the dotted holes are. Oh my gosh, they don't even have like a little dent for me to do this. Okay. Dangerous. Please have a parent or a guardian watch out for you to do this. I'm just hammering my fingers now. Ow! Bruh. I did not think this is what we're gonna have to do. They could have at least like made like a little dent for us. Oh my goodness. How much further do we have to go in? At least 5 millimeters. Oh my god, it's crooked. It's crooked. Does that look like it's 5 millimeters to you? Wait, where is it? Can you even see that? It's stuck on there. Oh, it went to the other side. Okay, that is not what we wanted to do. This is gonna take forever. It comes with 60 metal nails and I have 3. 2.5 down. Oh my gosh. Please be careful when you're doing this. Please. Alright, we're gonna have to time lapse this because I highly doubt that you guys want to see me slamming in like 55 more nails. We'll come back when I'm done. I am so sorry. It looks like the second half of this video is going to be me voicing over. I turned off the mic and I forgot to turn it back on, and I'm so sad, but I hope that you guys still enjoy the DIYs and I have to like do better next time. I'm so sorry. Let's go back to the video. So I'm finally done with nailing down all the nails, and they did actually give us some extra ones, so don't worry about losing 1 or 2. Also, another tip is don't hammer too hard because as you saw in the clips before, I hammered it down and it chipped like the wooden board, so just be careful. So thankfully I did record in 2 different angles, so my camera did pick up some sound, so you'll see it in the next couple of clips. Let's start here. We'll tie a knot here and we'll see how that goes. They wrapped it around into a square. Oh no. Okay, and then what the heck did they do?
I don't want to do my own design. I want you guys to tell me how to do this design.
Where? Gonna make a triangle. Okay. I don't know what to do. What kind of designs do I do? I really want it to look nice, so I'm just gonna grab this image and see if I can follow that along. Oh, they made a square on the outside. Okay, so let's redo this. Is that not what we did? Is that not what we did? We did, right? Okay, guys, so I really can't find anything that has this type of design on there, so we're just gonna have to figure out on our own of how we want this to look. Yeah, I don't really know how to start. I really wish this showed us how to do the pretty design that was in the cover, but they didn't. I just tied a knot on the top point and, you know, go from there because I don't know what else to do. Let's go around like that, so at least we have like a flower looking shape. I don't know what that is. Hey, that's not bad. Oh my gosh, pretty cool that you can make your own design, but I'm kind of lost. Target didn't help us out with a tutorial or like instructions on how to make a pretty design. That's what I have so far, and that's not too bad, right? Is that a cute design? What next? This is definitely where you can show your creativity. What do you guys think of the design so far? I haven't done much, and I don't know even how to explain it to you on how I'm doing this. I'm just wrapping and trying to figure out if it's like cute or not. I don't know how I feel about that, but we're just gonna leave it and continue. This is not the type of projects that you can just cut the strings, by the way. You're gonna have to leave it, or else you're gonna have like different knots within one. Maybe make a circle. Okay guys, so this is the first design that I made. Another string to go, and I really don't know what to do. Like this design, I don't even know how I got to it. It's gonna be really interesting to do another layer. Again, it's good that you can make your own and be creative and, you know, design your own design. I would have really appreciated if I knew the instructions on how to make this design, because this is what caught my eye, okay? Didn't know that I was gonna come up with it myself. Oh no, some of my strands are loose. It's okay. As long as it doesn't come apart, we're good. Trying to find where to tie this so it's not too noticeable. Tie a knot right at the bottom of this thing. You can always cut off the strands if it shows too much. Okay, that's it. What do you guys think? Like, you tell me the truth. Does that look pretty cute? I don't know. I mean, I can always go back. For now, we're just gonna go what's here. So let's tie this down. There you go. It's hidden. You can't really tell. Boom. That is our design. It's not too bad. It definitely needs some help, but I think we're good. Okay, let's go ahead and go into the second DIY. Let's go. So for our second DIY, we have this really pretty DIY terracotta pot kit. So what it comes with is one pot, one 16-yard jute cord, 2 double-sided adhesive tapes, and 4 tassels. All this, and it only costed $3. What caught my eye was definitely the pot color. It's so cute, don't you think? The instructions look really simple. I'll go ahead and leave it on the screen, and let's go ahead and open it up. This is what my reaction was when I saw the tassels were already pre-made. I was so happy. As easy as a tassel can take to make, it was so nice that it was already pre-made. Like I said, the instructions seemed pretty simple. All you're gonna do is start off by sticking the double-sided adhesive tape on the bottom of the planter and then start wrapping the jute around. Okay, let's put our pot down and grab our double-sided adhesive. And we're gonna put it at the bottom of the pot. Okay, I did that. We're gonna take our jute cord and we're just gonna start wrapping that around. How will it stay? Hold it down. You know, if this gets too hard like I think it's gonna be, I think I'm gonna take out my hot glue. Cause how is it gonna stay? Hello? Are you supposed to start way at the bottom? And please stick the double-sided adhesive tape on the bottom of the planter to fix the jute. I'm gonna take my hot glue because I definitely feel like you're gonna need it. There's no way that it will stay on this side. So grabbing the hot glue was definitely a move, and it was the right move because it was so much easier than having the adhesive tape. They only gave us 2. I mean, you could definitely cut it and make it smaller pieces and use that to wrap it around, but because I started so low at the bottom, it wasn't sticking with the adhesive. So I have to say the hot glue definitely came in clutch this time around. I don't know, if you don't have a hot glue, maybe you can start cutting the adhesive to smaller sizes, but if you do have a hot glue, I definitely recommend. This is where I want to start putting on the tassels, because I really like this color, and I thought it would be really cute if you have like a two-tone so you don't go all the way up. But in the photo, you do go all the way up, so that's up to you if you want to do that. To add the tassel, pull the jute through the loop at the bottom of the tassel and continue wrapping the jute around the planter. So I'm gonna cut mine now up to here of where I wrapped it. We have a bunch of jute cord left, so don't worry about running out. I'm just going to go ahead and loop in my tassel into the jute cord. How cute! So there's 4. Make sure you loop all 4 in. Hello, these sausage fingers again, getting in the way of things. This is such a cute idea. This is definitely doable on like your own. You could buy a pot separately and some jute cord from like the Dollar Tree, and then make your own tassels from like the yarn that the Dollar Tree has. And you could definitely do this for $3. But I'm just saying, like, if you want a different pot color or you want a different yarn, then you could definitely do this with, you know, Dollar Tree items. When I first saw this at Target, I thought it was going to be complicating, but turns out it's not that bad. It really isn't. And something I can definitely do without the kit. If I can do it, definitely you can do it as well. Now we have all 4 of our tassels on. We're just gonna separate them evenly around the pot. Wrap the jute cord some more on top of it. So we're just gonna find where I started, which is right here, because that will probably be the back, and you know, so we don't have to see it. I'm actually not going to use the double-sided tape. I like my hot glue and it's already here, so I'm just gonna use that, glue it down, and it looks so cute. Look at that. Ah, that's so adorable. My goodness. If you don't have your hot glue, to use the double-sided tape, place it on like the top somewhere. You'll definitely have enough to wrap all the way on to the top of this pot. I hope that you guys like it. Alright guys, well that's the end of this video. I hope that you guys like the DIYs. Again, I'm so sorry for the audio issue. It was definitely my fault. I really hope that you guys stuck around and watched the whole video because I really like the second DIY. It's definitely my favorite out of the 2. The terracotta pot was so cute, so easy to do, and it was super simple. Leave me a comment down below which one was your favorite. Give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
I saw your face in the moon.